Chapter number 1, Number System, Exercise 1.1, question number 2. So, the question 2 says you have to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So, let us start. So, what we do, first of all, to find out this, we'll first create a number line. A number line is being created. Let me mark the 2 arrows, one to the right, one to the left, and mark the 2 numbers. Suppose this is 3, the integer 3, and this is 4. Now our task is to find the 6 rational number between 3 and 4, means in between of them. So first of all, let us take one rational number which would be in the middle of this. Let's call it A. The other rational number would be in between of the number 3 and the number A. Let's call it the B. Then the other would be between A and 4. Let's call it at C. Then so 1, 2, 3 have been found out. We'll be able to find out A, B, and C. Then the other 3 we can do. We can find the in between of 3 or B, B or A or C or 4. So what we'll do, we'll first find the between 3 and B. So this is my D, and then between B and A, this would be E, and the last between A and C, so it would be F. Obviously we can find between C and 4, which would be G, so there would be 7, but right now we are bothered with 6 rational numbers. So let us first find the number A, the rational number A. So simply because it is in the middle of 3 and 4, that means it is just in the middle of 3 and 4. That means I could say that the value of this rational number would be the average of the two. Yes, that means 3 plus 4 upon 2, the average. Simply that would be equal to 7 upon 2. So my first rational number would be 7 upon 2. The other, now our task A is done. Let's find out the B. So to find out the B would be in the middle. We can see that B is in the middle of the number 3 and the number A. So let us find the B would be the average of the number 3 plus 7 by 2, the average of these two. That means this is 1, so I can multiply 2 with 3, 1 by 7, and 2 into 1. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 7 times 1 is 7 upon 2, and then whole upon 2. That means we can write it as 7 plus 6, 13. 13 upon 4 is the correct answer. So my B is 13 upon 4. So now we have found out the two rational numbers. One is the rational number B and the rational number A. So similarly that we have found out the B, we can find out the C as A in the middle of between A and the number 4. So I can write it as 4 plus 7 by 2 whole upon 2. That means 4 times 2 is 8 plus 7 upon 2 whole upon 2. That would be equal to 15 upon 4. Correct answer. So that means my C is 15 upon 4, the rational number. So till now we have found out the 3 rational numbers. Similarly, we can find out the other 3 rational numbers using the same. Now, as we found out 3 rational number till now, the A, which is 7 by 2, the B, which is 13 by 4, and the rational number C, which is 15 by 4. Now let us find the rational number D. Now the rational number D is in the middle of 3 and 13 by 4, so it would be the average of these two. So let us find. So we will find the average of 3 as well as 13 by 4. That means the rational number D would be equal to 3 plus 13 by 4 whole upon 2. That means there would be a denominator 1 of 3, then 4 into 3 and 1 into 13. 4 into 3 is 12 plus 13 into 1 is 13 upon 4 whole upon 2. That means the whole upon 2 is there. Then 13 plus 12 is 25. 25 upon 2. 25 upon 4. That means the rational number that D represents is 25 upon 8. So the answer of this would be 25 upon 8. Now, so D also has been found out. Now let us go with the rational number E. So E would be 13 by 4 and 7 by 2, the middle of 13 by 4 and 7 by 2. So let's go. The rational number E, 13 by 4 plus 7 by 2 and divided by 2. That means now 13 into 2 is 26, 7 into 4, 28, 26 plus 28 upon 8 whole upon 2. That means equal to 26 plus 28 would be 6 plus 8 is 14, 1 carry, 2 to 4 and 5. So 54 upon 8 times 2, 16. Now we can simplify it. That means this would be equal to, it gets cut by 2. So 2 times 8 is 16, 2 to the 4 plus 1 into 1 14 and 2 7 the 14. So answer is 27 upon 8. So the rational number that E represents is 27 upon 8. 27 upon 8. So till now we have found out A, B, C, D, E, 5 rational number. Let's go with the rational number F. It would be in the middle of 7 by 2 and 15 by 4. So F would be 7 by 2 plus, let's go again, let's see what is 15 by 4, plus 15 by 4 whole upon 2. That means we'll multiply 7 into 4, 28, 15 into 30. So 28 plus 30 whole upon 8, 2 into 4 is 8, and then whole upon 2. That means it would be equal to 28 plus 30, it would be 58 upon 8 times 2, 16. Now again they both are divisible by 2. 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 2 is 4, 1 carry, 1 into 1 and 8 is 18. So 2 times 9, 29. So 2 times 9, 18, sorry. So 29 upon 8 is the correct answer of F, 29 upon 8. So my F rational number is present 29 upon 8. In fact, you can see also over here that this is 25 upon 8, and then this would be 26 upon 8, then this is 27 upon 8, then this would be 28 upon 8, 29 upon 8, then 30 upon 8 should be the one, as we see that it is, just a second, it was 30. Yes, we can think of as a 30 upon 8 also. Okay, 15 times 2 is 30, 4 times 2 is 8. So 5 rational numbers that we have found out in between of 3 and 4 are 25 upon 8, 13 upon 4. Let us again write them in simple way. 25 upon 8. So the 5 rational numbers are, first one 25 upon 8, the second one 26 upon 8, which is 13 upon 4, then third one 27 upon 8, 27 upon 8, then fourth one 28 upon 8, which is 14 upon, which is 7 upon 2, just a second, yes, 7 upon 2, then fifth one 29 upon 8, yes, and then sixth one 30 upon 8, which is 30 upon 8, I can write it as 15 upon 4. So 5 rational numbers are these, between 3 and 4. So that's all for this question.